All right, so here is a battery fuse, and I'm going to go over how to know if it is blown and also how to change it out. I'm going to be doing this in an Acura TSX 2005, but most cars will have a battery fuse. So how to find this? Well, first off, to see if anything is wrong, you can see that I'm going to plug my battery in. Okay, battery's plugged in. You'll notice that if your fuse is out, you won't even have electrical to unlock your doors or any beeping when the door comes on. And when I put my key in the ignition, you won't even have a clicking of the battery. Now you may first try to jump start your car. If that doesn't work, or if there's no clicking, before you get a new battery, you might want to check your battery fuse. And I'll show you how to do that. So you'll have your box where all your fuses are. And this is right here for the Acura TSX. On the bottom, you have all these little instructions for which fuse is what. You notice that there is a battery fuse up here. You may be looking, but that is this fuse right here. If you can see in there, it has two bolts, one right here and one right here. First, when we take out those bolts, or those screws, I'm gonna take off my battery. I'll pull this screw out. Okay. I'm gonna pull out the other screw. Okay. All right, so if you have your screws out, there will be two little notches on the sides. Little levers that you're gonna have to pull out the whole fuse. So I'm gonna pull out that one. Pull out that one. Okay. So we got our fuse out. So this is the burnt fuse. Now you can't really tell right now, but this top one is burnt out. There will be a disconnection between that fuse. I'll open it up so you can actually see it a little bit better. You have four little places you'll need to unlock right here. Just pull up on the levers. Two, three, four. Okay. Okay, you can see pretty good that that top one is burnt out, and that's why the battery won't connect. So I already have one new one in, and you can tell that both of them are connected up top. So let's put it in. You're going to put it over the top, line up the holes, and push it in. Make sure that it clicks on the sides. You're going to get your screws, put them in there. There's one. There's two. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on, the cover back on. We're going to plug the battery back up. Oh, see, you have some little sparks there, but okay. Now we're going to try to start it and see what happens. First, you can tell already have power because I can lock my door. Now, just like that. And so that's how you change the battery fuse for a Acura TSX 2005 model. There you go.